you messaged me the other day when I shared my creamy leek pasta dish that I thought I'd show you how easy making pasta really is. You don't need a food processor, but if you have, you can just do it in exactly the same way, put all the ingredients in to come together to a ball. But today I'm going to show you how to make it in a bowl. I'm going to weigh 300 grams of the 00 flour. This is going to be enough for a large portion each for us for the family. And now we're going to lightly beat 3 eggs. They're ready like that. I'm going to pop them in a well. Anybody who's got a garden, I reserve the eggshells, I crush them up and scatter them all over my border to stop the slugs. So I'm going to add this into the well. And you can use your hands, but I'm going to use a spoon. I'm going to bring a little bit of the flour in at a time from the edges. See the mixture getting drier. I'm just going to continue to mix in the flour until it comes together, and I can use my hands to bring it together to form a ball. Now it's time to get your hands in. So that's it, that's the flour and the eggs in. I'm just bringing this together with a ball and cleaning the side of the bowl to pick up any of the rest of the flour. So now all that's together, I'm going to bring it out on the worktop. And I'm going to knead it a little bit more. So with a little bit of elbow grease. You'll have pasta in no time. So keep on going. I can feel the dough getting nice and silky. But this will make the best pasta. So after about 5-10 minutes of kneading, we've got a nice silky dough. I'm just going to flatten it out to a disc shape. I'm going to pop it in a beeswax wrap, pop it in the fridge for half an hour just to rest, and then we're ready to roll up the pasta. The dough has been chilling in the fridge for over half an hour now, so I'm just going to grab it out. It is nice and silky. You can see. What I'm going to do here, to make it easier for me, I'm going to just split it in half so I can roll it. You can use a pasta machine to make this as well, but I'm just going to show you how to use it with a rolling pin. So I'm going to start, I'm going to flour my worktop a tiny bit, not too much because I don't want any extra flour. So I'm just going to put a little bit on there just so it doesn't stick. And then begin rolling. So I'm just going to roll it. Obviously it's a bit firm now because it's been in the fridge. This is the easiest way I find to make pappardelle. You can use a knife to cut it, but I've got this little rolling pin which measures it perfectly just to roll over. So now I've got this pasta nice and thin. You should be able to lift it up to the light and you should be able to see through it. So that's the hardest part done. The pasta's ready. This would be perfect if you make a lasagna. So you just cut these into sheets. But I'm just going to tidy up the ends here now. And I will re-roll these. I'm just going to cover those for a second to make sure they don't dry out. Okay, so this is my pappardelle roller. You don't have to use these. If you had just a normal knife, you could just say fold this into 3 and then just slice it and then they'd come out like ribbons. But I'm going to use this. So I'm going to start on the end and I'm going to apply firm pressure and go slow. So I've got a little rack here. I had this as a gift, so I'm going to hang my pasta on here because I'm not ready to use it at the moment. If you haven't got a rack, you can use hangers in the kitchen and just hang them out to dry. You can use this pasta straight away if you want, but I'm not ready to use mine yet, so I'm just going to hang these out on here. You want them to dry and become quite leathery. That'll make a nice chewy pasta. And then it's just onto rolling the leftover bits and keep on going the same way. So that's the first lot done. As you can see, it's nice and thin, you can see my fingers through it. I'm just going to let those hang and I'm going to re-roll my trimmings and the rest of it. That's it, that's our pasta all done.